Hello everyone, I'm happy to share with you that we have this 2011 Lexus IS 250, blue out, beige interior, leather, loaded with options, moonroof, heated seats, ventilated seats, great tires on them, all four matching Continentals with great tread, like new. You have moonroof, like I said, heated ventilated seats, backup camera, navigation system, you got smart entry, and let's jump in the car. All right, you got start stop. I'll turn on the vehicle first. Right now I can see it has 125,000 miles with some change. This is blinking tire pressure system. That means one of the sensors is bad. Navigation, backup camera, and I'm gonna pop up the hood and we're gonna check the engine. Clean engine, ice cold AC. I'm gonna even pop up this cover for you to see and listen. All right, come see us at AZ Cars. Thank you.